Hello there, this is Jesus Bustillos. We're going to jump right into this training, help you get certified for the 2016 selling season. First of all, you're going to want to go to the secure portal, https://portal.cms.gov, as you can see here on the top left. And on the bottom right, you're going to see the new user registration where the red arrow is. Now, you only have to do this if you do not already have an account. If you sold last year, this is not something you'll have to do again. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click on the next button after you agree to the terms and conditions of the certification through the enterprise portal. Once this has been completed, it'll be asking you, the system will ask you to put your first and last name into the registration process, and you'll choose an ID and password. Remember, this is only something you do if you do not already have an account. After that, you'll have the CMS enterprise portal notify you after you click OK that you have been successfully registered and an account has been created. After which, waiting for just a little bit of time, you'll have to log back into the CMS secure portal. Go ahead and click OK, acknowledging that the account was created. Once you've completed the registration, you'll have to log back in. After logging back into the CMS secure portal, you'll be able to continue to select the I accept button so you can prepare to select the courses for your certification. After the login and user ID password has been entered so that you can go ahead and select the coursework, you'll find the request access now button on the top right corner where the red arrow is. That arrow will allow you to select the facilitator marketplace training for the assisters as well as the agents and brokers here on the top right, as well as the requesting the system access. The system access will allow you to be requesting a role as a enroller, agent, broker, and giving you access so that you can get into the curriculum. Click OK here. Once you've done that, it'll again ask you to complete the process for your access and registration. The second part of this is the identity proofing. After registration and you complete identity proofing, it'll verify that you are who you say you are. Click next on the identity verification and proceed by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Click next here. First name, last name, email address, all the information there so that you can confirm your identity and have the system verify who you say you are. Remote identity proofing next here. And you'll be redirected to the agent registration status page, and the identity proofing step is marked complete, as you see here by this red arrow. Once this has all been done, it's going to ask you for your national producer number, so make sure you have that ready. This has to be exact, guys. So once you've done all of the completion of the profile, you're going to access the training down here by this red arrow. You'll select from here the correct information that will apply to you as it relates to the type of training you'll be taking. If you're going to be acting as an agent, as a person that's just enrolling, then you'll select the particular states. You'll fill out the information as it relates to the rest of your profile, whether it's you or your company. Once all the information has been selected and the states have been selected, you're going to click Save. The CMS approved vendors list has already been released. There's a couple of different companies that are also doing this training. There are more complicated trainings than the CMS training. I recommend you just go through this one. Once you've done all of that, if you select a approved vendor, you're going to be taken out of this system and you'll be looking for one of those CMS approved trainers. Once the actions have been taken for you to go ahead and register for your site, you'll be able to enroll into the individual marketplace training, and you'll be able to complete the enrollment for the training. You still haven't done the training, but that shop or marketplace individual training allows you to go get the certifications, and you can see here you can go to the content so that you can begin to do the actual training. You can start the curriculums by clicking the launch button here on the red arrow. And some of the courses do have some kind of prerequisites, so there might not be a launch button. If you're using a marketplace vendor, Again, there'll be a whole nother process that you'll have to go through. Just make sure that you follow through their requirements. You have to have all of this information done and the agreements done before you can get the completion certificates. The general agreement here, you can see you have to click I agree and then hit submit so that you'll have this printed out. Most of the carriers will ask you for this. Once the agreements are accepted, you'll be redirected back to the CMS Enterprise portal, and you'll be able to get the completed registration process and print your certificates. Here's a quick example of what those certificates look like and where you can print them from once you have completed the training. You can see here where you can actually print a PDF on a print certificate on the red arrow. Click there to open up the window, print the certificate that you want to print, and it's this green registration certificate. Now you can also get a hold of us at 915-591-1957 if you have additional questions, if we could be of any help. This has just been a really quick overview of helping you get registered. Obviously, you can play, rewind, pause as many times as you need to ensure that you have all of these steps completed, and go as slow or as fast as you need to. God bless. Have a great selling season. And again, reach out if we can be of any assistance. I hope this provided some value to you. Have a great day.